Hi guys, in this video I'm going to bring you a step-by-step tutorial on a new AI niche, Fruit Love Island. Over the past week, these videos have been going viral on social media platforms, and some people have already gained a lot of followers from them. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the prompt. As usual, we're using ChatGPT for prompt generation. Go to ChatGPT and enter the instruction in the dialog box. You can find the instruction content in the description, then click Submit. Here, I chose the 7 story, and ChatGPT will generate the corresponding image prompts and video prompts for you. Step 2. Create images. I had prepared 3 reference images of fruits in advance. You'll need one tool. Hit pause Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, you can find the download link in the description below. Once installed, open it and click New Project to begin. Go to Media, then AI Image, and click Image Generator. There are 6 models available. I'll choose Google Nano Banana 2, then upload the reference image and paste the prompt. Set the resolution, aspect ratio, and output quantity. Then click Generate. Repeat this process to create other images. These are the images I created using this method. Step 3. Generate videos. With the images ready, we can move on to video generation. Go to AI Image and click Image to Video. There are 3 new models you can try: Kling 3.0, Vide Q3 Turbo, Vide Q3 Pro. Upload the images, paste the prompt, set the duration and mode, then enable Generate Audio and click Generate. You could repeat the process for the other video. Step 4. Edit your video. Finally, drag all the animated clips onto the timeline in the correct order. Crop unnecessary parts, add transitions and music, and export your final video in 4K resolution. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video.
Do you want to drink it?
Yes, I want... I can't believe my eyes.
Oh. I'm sorry.